Hey everybody, here's a little project I designed. It is a emergency light that's powered by a Ryobi 18-volt battery, and as you can see, works pretty nice as a flashlight or a lantern. But part of the design of this is that on the inside, we've got a relay, just pretty much like a typical 12-volt automotive relay. And then instead of an on-off switch, it's a on-off-on switch, and on the front here, we've got a DC input jack. So if I put some power in there, we can see on the kilowatt, it's actually using a little bit of energy. It's pulling a little more than 2 watts. And now if I set this over in the other mode, this is our automatic emergency light mode. So what happens now is, let's say we've just got this plugged in, it's nighttime, and at your house the power goes out, so we'll simulate that by unplugging this. It automatically turns on. So it's some automatic emergency lighting, but you can also just use it as a regular lantern or flashlight.